Good morning, children. Let us proceed with exercise 2.2, the word problems based on one variable linear equation in one variable. Before word problems, read and understand the word problem very clearly. Identify the left hand side and right hand side before solving. The first question, if you subtract half from a number. The main concept here is subtract and from a number. When subtraction, you have to be very careful because subtraction is not commutative. Therefore, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 2. Find the number. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half. So, let the number be x. They are asking you to subtract half from a number. The number you have taken is x. From x means x minus half. Therefore, x minus half, and if this result is multiplied by half, the result is 1 by 8. This is the meaning of the question. If you subtract half from x and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. For more easy for the distributive law, let's arrange half here. Now, you can use distributive law, that is half into x minus half into half is equal to 1 by 8. Half into x means x by 2, 1 into x, 2 into 1. Multiplication, it's always multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. Minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. The variable in left hand side and the number 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. X by 2 is the same as LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. As I have mentioned, 8 is a multiple of 4. So LCM is 8 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. So it becomes 1 plus 2 by 8. X by 2 is equal to 3 by 8. You can cross multiply. That is 8x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 6 by 8, which can be reduced by 2 as 3 by 4. So, you will rewrite the answer. Therefore, the number is equal to 3 by 4. This is the way of presenting an answer. The second question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Second question, perimeter of rectangular swimming pool equal to 154 meter. Underline the word rectangle because we should know the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Its length is 2 meter more than twice the breadth. That means its length is 2 meter more than twice breadth. This is how you will understand the question. That is, the length is depending on the breadth. That means unless you know the value of breadth, you cannot find the length of dimension. Therefore, let the breadth is equal to x. Therefore, length is equal to, substitute as 2x plus 2. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is 154. 154 is equal to 2 into length is 2x plus 2 and breadth is x. Again, 154 is equal to, what is 2x plus 1x? It is 3x. 2 into 3x plus 2. You can use distributive law. 154 is equal to 2 into 3x plus 2 into 2. 154 is equal to 6x plus 4. You can rearrange both to make the equation familiar. 6x plus 4 is equal to 154. 6x is equal to 154 minus 4. 6x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 divided by x. Try to do cancellation with 3. You will get 50 by 2 and it is 25 meter. That means that you have taken x as breadth. Therefore, breadth is equal to 25 meter. Immediately, what will be the length? Length is equal to 2x plus 2. Substitute as 2 into 25 plus 2. What is 2 into 25? It is 50 plus 2 or 52 meter. And now, please be careful whenever you are arranging the numbers with the brackets. Because even otherwise by the division, multiplication, addition, subtraction rule, it's always division first, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So don't change the order of operations. Question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. Underline the word isosceles triangle. What is the peculiarity of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. That is, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. So, if the triangle is ABC, the base is given as 4 by 3, which shows that the other two sides are of equal length. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 and 2 by 15 centimeter. The perimeter of isosceles triangle equal to 4 and 2 by 15 centimeter. Perimeter means the sum of all the sides. That is, AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 4 and 2 by 15 is 4 into 15, 60 plus 2, 62 by 15 centimeter. 4 into 15, 60 plus 2, 62 by 15 centimeter. And now AB represents X, BC represents 4 by 3, AC represents again X, and the total is 62 by 15. What is X plus X is giving you 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 62 by 15. You can leave 2x on the left hand side. 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. 3 and 15 LCM is 15. Why? Because 15 is a multiple of 3, which is equal to LCM is 15 into 1, that means 62, minus into 5 is 20. 2x is equal to 62 minus 20 is 42 by 15. The best method is cross multiply. That is, 2x into 15 is equal to 42. No need of multiplying actually, or even if you multiply, 30x is equal to 42. X is equal to 42 by 30 divisible by 3. It is 3 ones are 3. It is 14 by 10, or again divisible by 2. It is 7 by 5. That is 7 by 5 centimeter. Therefore, the length of equal sides is equal to 7 by 5 centimeter. Question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. That means there are two numbers whose sum is 95. If one number exceeds the other by 15, that means one number exceeds other by 15. The meaning is one number, the word meaning of exceeds is more than the other number by 15. That means let one number, we take it as x. What will be the other number? It is x plus 15. So one number is more than the other number by 15. That means if one number is x, the other number is x plus 15, and their sum is 95. So how do you form the equation? X plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x is equal to 95 minus 15, 80. X is equal to 80 divided by 2, which is equal to 40. Therefore, the numbers are 40, and what is 40 plus 15? It is 55. Therefore, the numbers are 40 and 55. Since the concept is by sum, they have not given you which is bigger and which is smaller. One number is 55 and the other number is 40. Next question, number 5, a very simple one. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. So question number 5, let the numbers be, as I told you, if they are in the ratio, it should be multiplied with a constant value. Let's take the constant value as x. Let the numbers be 5x and 3x. Now, if they differ by 18, difference means always the bigger number minus smaller number. That means 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 2, 9. Therefore, what are the numbers? The numbers are 5 into 9, 45, and 3 into 9, 27. The numbers are 45 and 27. Question number 6. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. 3 consecutive integers. What is the meaning of consecutive integers? The numbers which is coming next. Let it be positive or negative, but here the sum is positive, so the integers also will be positive. The sum of 3 consecutive integers. So let the 3 consecutive integers be, let the first integer be x. What will be the next one? X plus 1. What will be the next one is x plus 2. The sum of these 3 integers is given as 51. Is given as 51. That is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 51. X plus x is giving you 3x. 1 plus 2 is giving you 3 equal to 51. 3x is equal to 51 minus 3. 3x is equal to 48. 51 minus 3 is 48. X is equal to 48 divided by 3, which is equal to 16. Therefore, the first integer, therefore, the integers are, first number is 16, second number 16 plus 1, and the third number 16 plus 2, that is 16, 17 and 18. Question number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Question number 7. 3 multiples of 8. We don't know from which order it is starting or from which multiple they are starting. Definitely it is not the first multiple. So let the multiples of 8 be, first multiple be 8, then next will be x plus 8 because it's a consecutive one, and the next one will be x plus 16. The sum of these 3 multiples of 8 is 888. X plus 8 plus x plus 16 is equal to 888, which is given in the question. X plus x is 3x. 8 plus 16 is 24, equal to 888. 3x is equal to 888 minus 20. 3x is equal to 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. 864. X is equal to 864 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. Again 288. That means x value is 288. Therefore, the multiples of 8 are, first multiple 288, the next one is 288 plus 8 is 296, the next multiple is plus 8, 8 plus 6, 14, it is 304. So, the 3 multiples are 288, 296 and 304. Question number 8. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and when multiplied by 2, 3 and 4, they add up to 74. 3 consecutive integers and you have to take them in increasing order. So, let the integers be, the first integer will be x. Consecutive integer means x plus 1 is the next bigger one and x plus 2 is the next bigger. And at the same time, if after arranging them in increasing order, you have to multiply them with 2, 3, 4 and then you have to find the sum. So, the first number when multiplied by 2, second number when multiplied by 3, and the third number multiplied by 4, and after adding, the total is found to be 74. 74. So 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 is equal to 74. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Plus 4x is 9x, plus 3 plus 8 is 11, is equal to 74. 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. 9x is equal to 63 or x is equal to 7. 63 divided by 9. Therefore, the integers are 7. 7 plus 1 and 7 plus 2, that is 7, 8 and 9. Question number 9 on age problem. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. The ratio of ages of Rahul and Harun in the ratio 5:7. So Rahul's age is to Harun's age is 5:7. You cannot interchange the order. So let Rahul's age be 5x. We are talking about the present ages. The present age. Therefore, what will be Harun's age? It will be 7x. Whenever ratio concept, you have to take it with a constant. The present ages are 5x and 7x. 4 years later. So, what will be their ages after 4 years? After 4 years, automatically Rahul's age will get increased by 4. Harun's age also will get increased by 4. Now, what is the condition given in the question is, after 4 years, the sum of their ages will be 56. That means the total of their ages is 56 years. That is 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. 5x plus 7x is 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. 12x is equal to 8. That is equal to 48, or x is equal to 48 by 12, which is equal to 4. So what are their percentages? Therefore, Rahul's present age is 5 into 4, which is equal to 20 years. And what is Harun's age? Harun's age is equal to 7 into 4, which is equal to 28 years. Question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The same application we can just explain as number of girls and boys ratio is, boys and girls ratio is 7:5. So let the number of boys is equal to 7x and number of girls is equal to 5x. And now the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. This is how you will express. That is, the boys number is girls number plus 8. You can see here the number of boys is more. 7x minus 5x is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 4. Substitute the value. Therefore, number of boys is equal to 7 into 4, 28. Number of girls is equal to 5 into 4, which is equal to 20. From here itself, it is visible that it is 8 more than the number of girls. Now, when you are doing word problem, this is the method. Read the question thoroughly and then understand and then form the equation.